Be wary of these 5 deceptive psychological tactics in our daily interactions. We may encounter individuals who employ subtle psychological strategies to manipulate our behavior or decisions. These tactics, often referred to as dark psychology, are designed to exploit our emotions and cognitive biases to achieve their desired outcome. One common tactic is love bombing, where someone showers another person with excessive affection and attention, creating a sense of intense emotional attachment. This can make the recipient vulnerable to manipulation and exploitation. Another tactic is restricting choice, where someone limits the options available to a person, making it easier to influence their decision-making. This can be done subtly, by presenting only pre-selected options or framing the choices in a way that favors a particular outcome. Ghosting, where someone abruptly cuts off communication with another person without explanation, is another manipulative tactic. This can leave the recipient feeling confused, insecure, and longing for the lost connection. Emotional withdrawal is a tactic where someone deliberately distances themselves emotionally from another person. This can be done by withholding affection, refusing to engage in emotional conversations, or creating physical barriers. The goal is to gain control over the relationship and make the other person feel dependent. Playing on emotions is a general strategy that manipulators use to influence others. They may evoke feelings of fear, guilt, or obligation to achieve their objectives. By understanding these tactics and recognizing the signs of manipulation, we can empower ourselves to make informed decisions and protect ourselves from being exploited. Common dark psychology tactics: love bombing, showering someone with excessive affection and attention to create an intense emotional attachment. Restricting choice, limiting the options available to a person, making it easier to influence their decision-making. Ghosting, abruptly cutting off communication with another person without explanation, leaving them confused and insecure. Emotional withdrawal, deliberately distancing oneself emotionally from another person to gain control over the relationship. Gaslighting, making someone question their sanity by pointing out their insecurities or twisting facts to their advantage. Tips for protection awareness. Recognize the signs of manipulation, such as excessive flattery, attempts to isolate you from others, and pressure to make quick decisions. Assertiveness. Communicate your boundaries clearly and firmly. Don't be afraid to say no or express your discomfort. Seek support. Talk to trusted friends, family, or a therapist if you feel manipulated or controlled. Emotional intelligence. Develop your emotional intelligence to better understand your own emotions and identify manipulative patterns. Critical thinking. Don't blindly accept what others say. Question their motives and critically evaluate the information they present. Remember, you have the power to protect yourself from manipulation. By being aware of these tactics and implementing the suggested tips, you can safeguard your emotional well-being and make informed decisions.